here we are, gear of the day, as opposed to a beer of the day. And we got a pair of marmots. These are long mediums. I wanted large, but you get what you can around here. But yeah, Marmot Precip full eco zip pants. Because I don't know, they're eco. Only $117.95. Hey, why you'll love it. Marmot Nano Pro, waterproof and breathable. Keeps you dry. Environmentally conscious. PFC free. Premium water repellency here. Seams taped 100%. Complete leak proof. Full length side zip. That's why I got them. Zipper, hand pockets, and elastic waistband. The Precip Eco Full Zip Pants, long. Yeah, 117. Yeah, just and being a fighter, the full zip pants are quite handy because you ain't got to be like trying to squeeze them through your boot. Sometimes they'll have a zip, but it only goes like up to there, and you're still fighting with a muddy boot. Put the full stuff out. Pants, yeah, back's still out. But easy in and out. Yeah. These are a little tight around the crotch, but not too bad, really. There's a lot of room in here. It's just all fluff. At least that's what my wife says. But yeah. Hopefully it rains tonight. It probably won't because I just got new rain pants. But hey, this review will to be continued. Sound like they're bringing the place down here.